Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got to admit, building funnels used to intimidate me. I'd spend hours trying to design landing pages, writing email sequences, and figuring out how to get traffic, only to feel like I was spinning my wheels. That's why I'm genuinely excited to talk about FunnelMates today, a platform that's flipping the script on what it means to create profitable funnels with ease. If you're into online marketing, you already know how crucial list building is. Turning visitors into subscribers and then into customers is the secret sauce for success. But let's face it, the process is time-consuming. You need a lead magnet, landing pages, confirmation pages, download links, and of course, an autoresponder loaded with follow-up emails. Not to mention, you need to keep creating content for your list so they stay engaged. It's a lot. FunnelMates takes all of that and simplifies it into something almost magical. Imagine logging in, clicking a few buttons, and having a fully functioning funnel live in just seconds. That's not an exaggeration. It's exactly what FunnelMates promises and delivers. Here's how it works. After signing up, you enter your affiliate details, like your JVZoo, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus accounts. This ensures that all the affiliate links in the emails and pages you create will be yours. Next, you visit the funnel store, which is packed with pre-built funnels across various niches. Whether you're into health, tech, or finance, there's something there for you. Unlocking a funnel is ridiculously simple. Some are free, while others require credits, but don't worry, they give you credits to get started. Once unlocked, your funnel is ready to go. It includes a high-converting landing page, a thank you page, a download page for your lead magnet, and a pre-written email sequence. And here's the kicker. All of this is already linked to your affiliate accounts. You don't have to touch a single line of code or write any emails. The first time I set up a funnel, I timed it. From start to finish, it took me less than 20 seconds to have a fully operational funnel live. It felt unreal. But when I clicked through the pages and tested the flow, everything worked perfectly. But it's not just about ease of use. FunnelMates is designed to help you generate multiple streams of income. You earn commissions from your affiliate links, of course, but you can also sell funnels in their marketplace. Every time someone activates a funnel you've created, you get paid. This dual earning potential makes FunnelMates stand out from other funnel building tools. For those of you who love customization, you'll appreciate the drag-and-drop funnel builder. You can tweak the pre-built funnels or create entirely new ones from scratch. The interface is intuitive, with options to add videos, countdown timers, and animations. You can even change the layout to match your branding. And let's talk about traffic for a moment, because no funnel is complete without visitors. FunnelMates provides a traffic kit for every funnel you create. It includes promotional tools like social media posts and ads tailored to your funnel. This saves so much time and effort, especially if you're not a marketing pro. One thing I didn't expect was how well the email templates are written. They're not just generic placeholders, they're engaging, professional, and crafted to convert. And if you ever want to change the affiliate product you're promoting, FunnelMates makes it easy. Just update the link in your dashboard, and it instantly updates across all your pages and emails. If you're thinking, this sounds great, but what's the catch? There really isn't one. The platform is user-friendly, the funnels are genuinely high-converting, and the additional income streams are a game-changer. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or an experienced pro looking to scale, FunnelMates has something to offer. I'm genuinely impressed with how much thought has gone into this platform. It's not just another tool, it's an entire ecosystem designed to help you succeed. If you've been struggling with list building, funnel creation, or affiliate marketing, FunnelMates could be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about FunnelMates, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.